As I walk across Broadway, I think about you and me standing in the hallway. The tension was molasses thick, but it passes quick. Ex-girl never liked the way you were looking at me. She said you look past her. Now I see the way you're looking at me, and my heart beats faster. Say hello, I think I'm running out of time now. Every second just slips away, and I don't think that I ever believed that you were ever here to stay. 2 years later, you called my bluff. You waited till I wanted it. Now you're saying that that's enough, and that's all I'm gonna get. If you're looking for trouble, you'll find it hiding in the worst place. Now you can't even look me in my eyes, like you're blinded in a horse race. Can't feel my chest. What's going on? Am I even breathing? Have no choice but to go along. Continue to talk my shit. Let me ask you a question. What would it take to make you stay? Should've learned my lesson. Truth is, you were never really here. We were only ships passing, and the one thing that stood between us was all this passion.
All across the sun, beams of light blinding me. I'll go all across the sun, all across the sun, all across the sun.